This right here is the accumulator for when there's roll splices. It kind of acts like a shock. And then this is the first edge guide. They go feeding into the press. This right here is a web cleaner. Cleans off all the debris off the face of the sheet. This is the first print station. We're only using the third station and the sixth station. So this is the print cylinder. We're just printing a one color job. And then right here, that photo eye is reading the sensor mark for the registration. Print cylinder, print station. We're running a UV gloss varnish, and because it's a gloss varnish, there's no print mark, so we have a proxy switch. So the system, the registration system knows where they want everything to align. And this is our camera, so you can read so you can see the print as the press is running. This is the die cutting section. Everything is flexo until this point. These are the in-feed wheels that only feed at whatever the repeat you want to enter into here. Whatever your repeat is, 24 inch, 20 inch, right now the repeat is 20 inch. So in order to register the cut, you also need to put a sensor mark on the outside of the bear bars. So you have this photo eye down here that reads that sensor mark. That's how the die cutter knows exactly where to cut. Right now, I'm at 153 feet a minute. It's a very short run, but I push this job to 200, 250, 250 feet a minute. It all depends on your stacker, how many guys you got stacking. Right now I only have one guy stacking. And since it's a short run, I haven't set up the other conveyor belt. I just have one guy just raking it up. So this camera, you can move it right over the sensor bars. So you can check your registration. So you can have the camera shoot earlier or later. Oh, there we go. So you can see your registration marks. So for this press, you have your ink metering roller, you have your analog Analox roller, and you have your plate cylinder. We have all the plate cylinders. We have a bunch of different size plate cylinders for different repeats. We have different Analox rollers. We just got a bunch made. And yeah, here's your doctor blade assembly. And then here's your other edge guide that goes, that's before your die cutter, so you can line everything up exactly where you want it to be die cut.